Hello! To all the website owners powered by Wordpress like me, Google has released a new plugin for us, Google Sitekit. It allows the WordPress users to access data from Google products such as Analytics, Search, PageSpeed, AdSense, and more. If you are not familiar with these products, they are now the de facto in measuring website statistics. So let's get to know them. Let's take a look at our blog. This is homebaseshop.com. It's all about recipe, and my blog czetsuyatech.blogspot.com. It's about my daily technical programming blog. Let's check my blog metrics. From Google Analytics, there are some tabs in the left side: real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior. Let's say, for example, we are interested in the number of traffic we get per day. So from here, from November 1, I got 135, 56 is the current count, or I think this is from the other day and Sunday. So from here, I can see that I have more viewers during weekdays. So perhaps most of the developers are resting during the weekend. And there are other filters too, like location. From here, I can see that most of my viewers are coming from the United States. And in case I'm interested with what keywords are driving users or search queries to my websites, I can go to Acquisition, Search Console, Queries, and from here, I can see that most of the traffics are being driven by Keycloak. And from those data, I can take action. Like, I can write more articles related to Keycloak since it's driving more traffic than the other keywords. Now, how about the other tools? Other than Analytics, there is also the Webmaster Tool or the Search Console. Here, we can register our blogs or websites. And we can see the aggregated metrics. Like, for our recipe blog, we can see that for the last 3 months, the total number of clicks is 302, total impressions, CTR, average position. So this is a new blog, and we only have few recipes. Maybe that's why the number of impressions is quite low. And from here, I can see the queries or the keywords that are most popular and driving viewers to our website are ginataang pompano, baked shrimp with cheese, baked cheesy garlic prawns, and these are all of them. And I can also see the pages that are most popular and the countries. Here we can see that most of the viewers are coming from the United States. Devices, we can see here that most of the viewers are using mobile device. So maybe we can optimize our website for mobile viewing. Search appearance, dates. And I think that's it. Other than these two tools, we also have AdSense. If you want to monetize our website, this is one way or one tool that we can add to our WordPress blog or website. And we also have PageSpeed to monitor our website speed. These tools all come from Google, but as you can see, they are available on different URLs. With Google Sitekit, all this data, statistics, aggregated metrics will become available to WordPress users, us, and it makes things easier for us to take action. Now, how do we install Google Sitekit? Google Sitekit is available from the URL sitekit.withgoogle.com. Here we can read the documentations and the setup steps. And we also have the plugin available from wordpress.org. But actually, even without reading these documentations, it's very easy to install. Just log in into your WordPress website, go to plugins, click add new, and search for Google Sitekit. From this screen, click install now and wait till it finishes. Once it's installed, we can now activate the plugin. Hit activate. Again, it should take some time because it's installing, I think, some tables. And yeah, we have SiteKit installed for our website, homebasechef.com. Now to start setting it up, click Start Setup. And from this page, we just need to sign in to our Google account. And from this website, we can link or we can verify the ownership to our WordPress blog and connect it to our Google account. So hit sign in with Google and select the Google account where you want to register that website. Here I'll use my Czetsuya's account. Here are the permissions that we need to grant the plugin. Since I already installed SiteKit before, it says I already gave SiteKit access to. That's why I just need to click allow. And that should be the same to you. You should have allow button here. And it should take some time to install. And by default, I have the Search Console automatically connected to my Homebase website because I registered that in my Google Webmaster Tool previously. Now let's proceed with other Google products like Analytics. Just hit Connect Service, or if you are not looking at this page, just go to SiteKit and hit Settings. From here, we have the connected services. And to install more services, just hit the Connect More Services tab and select the service that you want to install to your WordPress blog. Me, I wanted to install Analytics, so I will click Setup Analytics button. And again, we need to authorize WordPress to access analytics data from our Google account. And similar to what we did earlier, we need to associate, or we need to give this permission to our WordPress blog. And we need to click allow. And by the way, Google should send an SMS or maybe email to your account if you enable it. And that will warn you that you are doing something with your account. From here, we can either select a view or click Configure Analytics. And it should pull some data from the Analytics account for this WordPress blog. And from here, we can see the data that we have earlier from Webmaster Tool, like ginataang pompano, baked shrimp. Sorry, this one, baked shrimp. Yep. And these are the most popular contents. We have this is for the period last 28 days. So, well, we have 2.7k impressions, 110 clicks only. Not good. Unique visitors from search is 250. And yeah, these are the keywords and these are the most popular content. Based from this data, again, we can take action, like maybe we need to write more recipes that are related or are using fronts or are baked to increase our viewers. Maybe if I find more time, I will write more recipes. Now let's continue with other plugins or products that we can install. If we have AdSense or if we want to monetize our blog, we can click AdSense. But I think I already installed AdSense to this Homebase shop. It has a standalone plugin to do that, so I will not install this AdSense. If you install AdSense, just in case, be careful with the auto ads. So what is auto ads? Auto ads is this one. if you enable anything from here, or if you set up auto ads, you might see ads showing in your website that you don't control. So they can show from in your header or footer, or in the inside, maybe in between page posts. You can't really control them. That's why I don't use them. So again, take that into consideration if you want to connect the AdSense service, because automatically it will add ads to your WordPress. And if it's your first time, you might be confused where those ads are coming from. Page speed, we don't really need this, because it just measures the speed of your page. And I think that's it for this video. So give SiteKit a try, and it's very useful. Even though I'm just been using it for less than a week, I find it and my partner really interesting, because we can see the summary in inside WordPress, and that is really helpful. It helps us make our plan on what to do next, what articles to write. And I think that's all for this video. If you want to watch similar videos, similar contents, or videos related to programming, do subscribe to my channel, because right now I'm building some tutorials related to programming that I myself is using or getting familiar to. Maybe that can help you in the future. And again, thank you for watching. That's all for today. Bye.